हेलो स्टूडेंट। मैं दिलीप गुप्ता, आपका केमिस्ट्री टीचर। टुडेज वी आर गोइंग टू बी कंटिन्यूड फॉर क्लास 11th some basic concept of chemistry, lecture 3rd. Our topic is dimensional analysis. It is a technique that is useful in solving problem related to the conversion of unit. You know that unit is the very important for any dimensional analysis. So there are 2 points which you will be remembered. Number one is any number or expression can be multiplied by 1 without changing its value. Okay. And the second one is any equality can yield two functions each of which is equals to 1. What tells about these? It means 1 minute is equal to 60 second. 1 minute divided by 60 second is equal to 1, or its reverse. What will be its reverse? 60 second divided by 1 is equal to 1. That is, the two fractions each equals to 1 are called the unit factor. Means 1 minute divided by 60 second is equal to 1 because the units are different. But their valuation are equals to 1. Always it is constant. So 1 minute divided by 60 second is equal to 1, or 60 second divided by 1 minute is equal to 1. Okay, these are called the unit factor. Now Now we are going to be taken a example, that is convert 500 second into minutes. Okay, we multiply 5 second with the unit factor. Okay, what is our unit factor? That is 1 minute divided by 60 second. It is called the unit factor. Thus 500 second is equal to 500 second into 1 minute divided by 60 second. 60 second and second will be cancel out. Then 500 second will be cancel out, its unit is cancel out, and 500 into 1, 500 divided by 60, these are the minutes. It means 5 second is equal to 500 divided by 60 minutes. Okay, another is example, convert 3246 gram into kg. Then 1 kg is equal to 10 power 3 gram. Okay, 1 kg divided by 10 power 3 gram, these are called the unit factor. And 10 power 3 gram divided by 1 kg, these are all always is equal to 1s, and it is constant. Okay, now we have 3246 gram, which are the smallest unit of the weight, and we are going to be convert into kg. So 3246 gram into 1 kg divided by 10 power 3, which are called the unit factor. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 3246 into 10 power 3 gram. When it will be goes to upward, then it will be sign in reverse, that is the 10 power minus 3, and the unit will be changed to kg, that is 3.246 kg. Okay, now another example is convert 2 hours into second. Convert 2 hours into seconds. So 2 hours is the large numbers. Okay, higher numbers. 2 hours into 60, these are called the minutes, and against we are going to be multiply by 60 second, these are totally are called the second. So 2 hours into second will be 2 into 60 into 60 seconds. These are the method to convert. Okay, now another question is convert 9.8 nanometer into centimeter. So first of all, we know that 9.8 nanometer is equal to 9.8 into 10 power minus 9 meter, because 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, now 1 centimeter divided by 10 power minus 2 meter, these are the unit factor. We are going to be multiplied, and meter will be cancel out. Then 9.8 into 10 power minus 9, 10 power minus 2 will be go to upward, that will be the power will reduce by minus 2. So 9.8 into 10 power minus 7 centimeter. Okay, and our last question is how many seconds are there in 2 years? 2 years is the large numbers, large duration. So how will convert into second? So first of all 2 years into 365 days divide by 1 years. Year will be cancel out. Now into 24 hours, because 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours one divide by 1 day. Now 60 minute in 1 hours, 60 second in 1 minutes. These are all multiplied and give the answer. And now another is the density of a solution is 1.131 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, what is the density in kg per meter cube? You are changing this unit into kg per meter cube. Okay, 1.131 gram solution is equal to 1 centimeter cube solution. Okay, using the unit factor 1.131 gram divided by 1 centimeter cube. Okay, density kg per meter cube, 1.313 gram divided by 1 centimeter cube into 100 centimeter cube divided by 1 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, into 1 kg divided by 1000 gram. This will be multiply and you will get from gram to kg. Okay, you have again multiplied by this and you will get 1.131 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, these are the conversion of the units. Thank you.